How to change primary email address on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, open up linkedin.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in and you are on this homepage, now navigate to your me icon or your profile icon at this menu bar on your right hand side and click on it. A drop down box will pop up. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. Now under Settings and Privacy, navigate to this menu bar at your left hand side and click on Sign in and Security. Now under Sign in and Security, click on this first option that says Email Address. That will take you to your next page where you can view your primary email. Now to change it, click on Add Email Address. Now for the verification, you will receive a 6-digit verification in your email account or your Gmail account linked with your LinkedIn. So you have to type in the 6-digit code. Then click on Submit. Once you're verified, now you can add your new email address. And under that, you can add your LinkedIn password. Once you're done, click on Submit. Now, after you enter your new email address and verify your account by providing your password, there it says the new email address that you have recently provided as a secondary email. Now to change it to primary email, first of all, you have to verify your email address. So go back and open up your Gmail and make sure to log in with the account that you have recently added. Open up an email from LinkedIn. Here you will receive a link that will help you to verify your email account. Click on it. That's going to take you to sign in page. So here you have to enter your password. Then click on sign in. Now after you sign in and you have verified this email address that you have recently added, now to make it to primary, click on this option that says make primary. Now again you have to enter your password. Then click on make primary. And there you can see this email address is now primary email in my LinkedIn account and the previous or old email account is my secondary email. So that's how you change primary email in LinkedIn, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.